Claude Managed Agents just dropped in public beta. I've taken a look and I want to show you what I've done so far in this video, where I'll explore in building a trading analysis agent. I have one for the S&P and I have one for crypto. This is really early ideation, and I just wanted to explore what the SDK looks like, what the capabilities start to look like with managed agents. All of my example code and full instructions are in my GitHub. Please check the description below for the link. So let's jump into this quick video. Let me show you what I've done so far. Okay, so here we just set up the directory, just pasted in our first prompt, and on the right you can see the trading analyst, which is having a look at the session that started. And here we can see some of the transcripts or the responses as the agent is working through the tasks. There are debug options, but I won't get into too much detail at the moment. So we're just watching this. It's running some push commands, as you can see. There's some web search, and it's got to iterate through the tasks as it goes along. So we'll just keep a little watch on this, and in a moment we should start to see the first message, and there it is, coming into our Slack channel. This is recorded on the mobile phone. So this is the message that was received from our first trading agent analyst, looking at the S&P with some sentiment. Early ideation looks promising. And now we're going to do exactly the same, different prompt slightly, but this one is for the crypto agent. So we're going to send that off. Again, another agent has been stood up. There's no shared context between these. Another video, I'll look at multi-agent and sharing context. But the process is going to be the same, but this time it's going to be looking for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and sort of Bitcoin dominance, and then get some sentiment back. And again, we should see shortly, it runs through those tasks, and we should get the Slack message into our crypto signals Slack channel. And there it is. So definitely looks promising. These are really sort of early tests. I'm just exploring just to see what the capabilities are. This is quite a simple sort of agent test. There's no real weight in this. It's just exploring. So let's move on and let's start to have a look at some of their platform. So here's a quick look at the Anthropic platform, the console. You can see the new managed agents in the blade there. Here are some sort of templates, some quick starters to get you going. But for this video, I created new. Again, all the example code is in the GitHub. So go to the description, get the link, go check it out. But here's some of the agents that I had sort of ran through earlier. So you can see that they live there. You can go and check some of the metadata. Let's move on and have a look at some of the code quickly. Okay, we'll have a quick look at the code. Again, it's all in my GitHub. Go check it out. There's the SDK from Anthropic, gives us access to the functions for managed agents. Environment variables are loaded in the vaults. That beta header is very important at this stage. So here you can see, let's have a look, the functions that we've got around creating the agent and passing a bunch of values as part of the function. So I'm just going to put the music back on. The code is commented. Let's just sit back. Let's have a quick look. And here we're just going to see the code for the crypto agent, pretty much the same code, just some slight differences, being that it has a slightly different role. again, let's sit back, have a look through the code whilst the music plays. So you'll find all this on the GitHub, but here's the CLAUDE.md that we feed in as part of the agent calls. Just a quick look through that. And also, I got full instructions. So here's a quick starter guide. Go to the repo, clone it, have a play with it, send it back to me. Let me know what you've been doing with it. Be really interested to see and hear what you get up to with it. I will certainly be exploring this more as things change. Looks interesting. This is a really sort of early ideation. Can we start to build out teams of managed agents in Claude? So, okay, that's the end of this really quick video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully it's given you some inspiration to go have a look, explore, and play with the Claude Managed Agents. I'm certainly going to be interested to see how this feature set starts to develop over the coming weeks and months. So, as always, I genuinely appreciate your time. Thank you for spending some of your time with me today or this evening. So, whatever you're going to do for the rest of the day or rest of the evening, hope you have a great one, and hopefully see you on the next video. Thank you.